Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with the TikTok shop not showing, or if you are unable to find the shop option on TikTok for your iPhone running iOS 17, then we are here with some steps you can try. So let's get started. Firstly, open the App Store from your home screen. So inside App Store, search for the TikTok in your search address bar. And make sure that you have the latest version of the TikTok app installed on your iPhone. If there is an update icon available right next to the TikTok, then tap on it and download the latest version. App updates often include bug fixes and new features, so updating may resolve the issue. So the another is go back to the settings, and in settings scroll down and tap on the general. Then in general, tap on the iPhone storage. In iPhone storage, search for the TikTok from the installed apps. Then tap on the offload app. So that is it, guys. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue of the TikTok shop not showing or the shop option not appearing on TikTok for your iPhone running iOS 17. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.